Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto. And previously I dropped a video on market neutral trading strategies whereby we take positions from two different assets, okay, to actually find profits at a mean. All right, beautiful. So I want you all to know that Binance is actually in support of this. Binance itself came out sometime April, middle of April or so thereabout, to actually encourage its users to hedge their risk. All right, with market trading strategies, okay, market neutral trading strategies, and this involves pairing different assets together, okay, and taking good positions on these assets. A lot of you who know me from way back know that I've been trading virtual football league for over 6, 7, 8 years now, as far back as 20, can't remember, I think 24, no, 2013 actually. And I actually stopped that because it wasn't as profitable as crypto seems to be. Okay, so these strategies, they are not new. They have actually been in existence for a very long time. All right, and I'm going to show you live proof here so you guys know these things are for real. And as a matter of fact, the exchanges need to promote such activities because they are going to make money from trading fees. All right, as you watch this video right now, the link in the description to Binance is right here. I want you all to check out Binance, sign up with them, and trade with them. All right, because you have a lot of opportunities and safety with your assets when you trade on Binance. All right, guys, so it's basically that simple. And for those of you who actually do want to learn how these things work, how the dual trading system works, whereby you make no losses by taking positions on different assets, my DM is still very open. I have a mentorship program for that is set aside, and very soon I'm going to be launching a BTC dominance strategy that would make you a BTC pro trader. All right, and it's actually no loss. You can't lose. All right, so basically, how does it work? It works with the BTC dominance effect on the alts against BTC itself. So we're going to be trading with a divergence to actually figure out pressure zones where BTC must pump. And I'll be posting that video live here on YouTube. All right, so cheers guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. Watch out for upcoming videos here on risk management and a lot of things that bothers you as a trader. This channel has been set up to encourage newbies like you who are making losses on a daily basis. I don't go out here posting screenshots of my winnings. I have a reason for that. And I believe everyone has his own decision as to what works best for him. So basically, what I'm saying is, I'm actually going to see you in the next video. Cheers, guys. I love you all so much. Peace out.